Tips on how to use EMPHNET's Electronic Library, EEL. Start by signing up. Visit library.emphnet.net. Fill in the form. If you want to stay up to date on our upcoming activities, click the toggle button, fill out the remaining form questions, and then click Submit. You'll get an email from library@emphnet.net with a link to log in with your username and password. From now on, whenever you visit the portal, press the login button and enter your email and password, then you will be taken to the homepage. On the main homepage, you will find the main search engine, Content Discovery Search. Here you can enter your search term and find the most relevant information from both in-library and open access resources. Quick Links contains relevant links that may be of interest to you. EMPHNET Publications, where you will find a direct link to the documents and publications produced and published by EMPHNET. How to use EEL resources. Here you will find documents and tutorials on how to use and navigate through the portal. You can access the resources on the main menu bar. Finally, EMPHNET News and Announcements. On the main menu bar, you will find the About Us page, where you can learn about EEL's mission and vision. Databases, e-books, e-journals, and other resources can be found on this page separately. You can categorize them by type, or you can search by name. You can learn more about the resource by clicking on the description box. You can even only show your favorite resources by clicking this button. EEL's resources include training materials to assist you in navigating and using them. Additional resources and materials will be added to EEL on a regular basis. That is why, on the main menu bar, you will find the Request a Resource form. Use this form to tell us what type of resource you require. All requests will be considered, and we'll keep you updated on the process via email. You can either scroll down and see what is available, or you can search for what you're looking for. You can easily sort these documents and download what you are looking for. Contact EEL's support for a technical issue, or contact EEL's administrator by filling in this form. The LMS button on the main menu bar will take you to EMPHNET's learning management system, where you can view and enroll in the short courses it offers. We hope you found this brief tutorial to be informative, and don't forget to keep an eye out for more new features in the future.